Today I am going to talk about an indigenous Tutsi woman who is on the list of the best 50 in the world. Who is she? She is Claudia Albertina Ruiz Santis, originally from San Cristobal de las Casas, Chiapas. She graduated from the Bachelor of Gastronomy from the Chiapas University. It's said that she was the first to work at the Pujol restaurant owned by the famous Mexican chef Enrique Olvera. In 2016, she started working in her own cooking restaurant, preparing traditional dishes and highlighting the indigenous culture. It's reported that Chef Tzotzil has stood over more than 700 chefs who were considered in this international list, whose name only 50 were recognized by the leaders in the Basque Culinary Center. In addition, the Chef Tzotzil believes that this distinction is an inspiration to improve day by day to work she loves.